The beauty of a human being is that you can always learn. A cheetah is born to a nature, it lives within that nature and it dies to that nature. An eagle is born to a nature, it lives within that nature, it dies to the nature. All these animals, till they attain their physical adulthood, they can learn. After that, they cannot learn. Not the case with a human being. At this age, you can make this decision rather than living there. You've been living in, your father shifted to Chennai, then you started a business here. For 2 generations, you have been in Chennai. You were born in Chennai and brought up for last 32 years in Chennai. And 32 years later, you are still saying, Tamil varadi namaku. Yeah, varade. Varno. One sentence if you learn per week. In 52 weeks, you'll be speaking 52 sentences. And it's not difficult for any one of us to learn 1 sentence per week in any language. मेरे को हिंदी तोड़ा तोड़ा ना मालूम नहीं. टाइगर जिंदा है. In fact, the number of times you have told in your life Hindi nahi malum, if you have learned one sentence that many times, by end of the year you can speak 52 sentences. The time we invest in justifying our weakness, if that time we can invest to overcome our weakness, we can overcome weaknesses. My back problem. Anju Ashima, your back is in the back of your mind. In this 5 years, if you have invested only 15 minutes to yoga on a daily basis, you'll be doing Sirasasana right now. The amount of time we are investing to justify our weaknesses, if that time is invested to cultivate strength, you know what sort of transformation we can achieve? A Sanskrit professor so beautifully from Vivekananda College would say, instead of going for 2 hours of Sanskrit class every Saturday, Sunday, every day invest 10 minutes on Sanskrit. By the end of the year, you would have progressed a lot more in Sanskrit that way. This is true with anything. I have always been interested in learning to sing, but I never learned singing properly. If you learn singing properly, it will help your neighbors also. Because the way you sing, they close their windows right now. You singer avan. Learn 3 songs in 1 year's time. Identify, go and find a teacher where to your voice, to your range, 3 songs are identified, and just learn. By end of the year, at least 3 songs in your life, you will be able to sing properly. And I'm telling you, the way you're going to feel when you can sing 3 songs properly is, the beauty about a human being is, in 25 hours of investment, we can develop a new proficiency. You don't know swimming, you are 52, you start now, 25 hours later, you will be swimming. Your handwriting is not good. The world has never found the difference between your signature and handwriting. Both look same. 25 hours if you can invest on anybody who can improve your handwriting, 25 hours later, you will be writing well and it will do a lot of good to the world. 25 hours from now, Hindi, Tamil, pronunciation in English, Arabic, Kannada, Marathi, I don't care what it is, 25 hours if you can invest, you will be speaking a little more of that language rather than living the rest of your life saying, I do not know. I go to party, everybody dances, I'm feeling very bad. No. 25 hours you invest and you will realize most of the people in party. See, if you have to dance like them, it takes a lifetime. If you have to dance like how in parties we dance, 25 hours jasti actually. Just few moves you will have to learn. That's all. Nothing is there. Hold each other and do this. That's all. Thanave ellame dance aadum. Not only you will dance. 25 hours you have to go and learn dancing somewhere and you will be dancing. I'm not saying you can become a master in 25 hours, but you can get started in any proficiency in 20. The beauty about being a human being is, from here to proficiency, you need to invest only 25 hours. 25 hours distributed over a period of time. When 25 hours is invested over the next 3 months' time, you'll find sizable progress. Can that be one of my go up goals in life? A give up here, a go up there, a step here, a step there, little by little, when every human being, every individual sitting here is not just flowing with life the way life is taking them, but is able to take control over their life, is able to take the reins of their life and say, this is how I'm going to live my life.